in tight. Everybody get in tight. I'm going this back bunker. You're gonna have to stay low. I don't want to shoot you in the head, alright? Get low. Where are you going?
Probably gonna get that.
Alright. Hey guys, talk and hey, listen. Stay outside your bunker. Don't snap in. Stay out and battle. But play safe. Here, everybody get in tight. Alright, you ready? Hey, everybody get in.
This is retarded.
Which one's ready? Are you guys ready? I guess.
Oh, count it down.
3, 2, 1, go!
Hey, we got back right, we got back right, we got back right. Alright, back right's out, back right's out. Alright, D2's out, D2's out. I'm out, I'm gone.
Where's that?
Wait, did we win?
I told you all. I got 2 out.
Oh.
Like you kind of look like a
Go, baby.
Hey, look.
Nice.
Hey, we're going to talk to him.
Get this right here. Watch his fucking wire, dude.
Let me get on this side, because I got to run ass. So I got to get this.
Yeah. Wait, no, hey, you want to get to the inside. Watch, I'm literally just going to step in. It's okay. Hey, stay low. Stay low, because I'm going to shoot over you. Hey, guys, let's go. All right, we got this.
Dude, you guys.
Just keep bullets. Just keep on pouring them, all right?
Yep.
Hold on. I'll stay there. Don't shoot me.
Hold on.
3, 2, 1, go!
Hey, we got one back left. We got one back left. We got one back left. Back left, Scott. Hey, move up. Move up Dorito's side. Hunter, move up. Move up. D side's gone. 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 Hey, I'm right behind you. I'm right here.